Today we're going to talk about yeast overgrowth or Candida and how to naturally rid our bodies of that overgrowth, of that too much yeast. According to the CDC, Candida is a fungal infection caused by a yeast or a type of fungus. Candida normally lives on the skin and inside the body, such as the mouth, throat, gut, without causing any problems. Candida can cause infections if it grows out of control or if it enters deep into the body. According to the Mayo Clinic, some symptoms people describe with Candida overgrowth are fatigue, headache, and poor memory. Another symptom that you can check in the mirror is to see if you have a white coating on your tongue. You can Google this to get some pictures for a reference, but that's a quick way to kind of see what's going on in your body. Some people swear by trying a Candida Cleanse Diet to help with the yeast overgrowth. The diet removes sugar, white flour, yeast, and cheese. And some people notice a difference in as little as a month, and others it takes longer. And the research was kind of showing, of course, you're going to feel better when you take those things out anyway. So I don't think it hurts to try it and just see if you feel better without those in your body for a few days. I personally choose to do doTERRA's 30-day cleanse and reset 2 to 3 times a year. I'm going to post the PDF in the show notes, and the PDF you can just download and kind of see what it's all about. But it's really created to help rid the body of toxic load, support overall function of the body's systems and organs, and there's 3 10-day phases. So first, we're just kind of activating the body. Second, we're going to reset. And then third, we're going to renew. And it's super gentle. I know people hear the word cleanse and they think they're going to be running to the bathroom all the time. It's not that type of cleanse. It's really about filtering out the organs and getting them back to kind of ground zero so they can take care of the body again. This active and reset stage, so that's the first 20 days, they help filter the liver, kidneys, colons, lung, and skin, and it helps to support both digestion and the digestive tract. And then the renew stage helps to build back that needed bacteria, that gut health, and then it supports overall cellular health and function. Sometimes when we make a cell, it's already damaged, and so this is going to help us produce healthier cells right from the beginning. So the call to action is to stick out your tongue in the mirror. If you are experiencing fatigue, sluggishness, go ahead and try this gentle 30-day cleanse. Please reach out with any questions. I can actually add you to a group where they've done kind of a video or a post every day for 30 days that will help you walk through it. So if you want me to add you to that, please email me or message me on Facebook, and I'd be happy to do that. Please subscribe or follow, and I'll see you next time.